Good morning students, welcome to online class. In the last class, exercise 10.2, 7-8 sums completed. Now write down problem number 9. This is the problem in 10.2, problem number 9. So what is 10.2 problem number 9? Find first question, the total surface area of closed cylindrical petrol storage tank. So the problem is about cylinder. Okay na? Whose diameter is 4.2 meters and height is 4.5 meters. That is about measurements of the tank. Tank is in the shape of cylinder. Diameter 4.2 meters, height 4.5 meter. That is question number 1. What is question number 2? How much metal sheet was actually used? If 1 by 12 of the sheet was wasted in making the tank. So 1/12 of the sheet was wasted. The remaining is used. 1/12 is wasted means the remaining is used. We need to find out number 1 total surface area of cylindrical tank. Number 2 original metal sheet. Original metal sheet. Okay na? So the problem is about cylinder, very clear to you. The problem is about cylinder. So cylindrical tank, the problem is about cylinder. Okay na? The tank is in the shape of cylinder, petrol tank. Cylinder. What is given? Given. What is given? Diameter. D for diameter. Diameter of the cylindrical tank. How much? 4.2 meters. Diameter how much? 4.2 meters. Then height how much? Height. Height how much? 4.5 meters. 4.5 meters. So two values are given, two measurements are given. Number 1, diameter of the cylindrical tank is 4.2 meters. Number 2, height 4.5 meters. What we need to find out? TSA question mark. TSA. This is about first question. First question is what? TSA question mark. TSA question mark. Diameter 4.2, height 4.5. TSA question mark. What is TSA of the cylinder? TSA of the cylinder is what? 2 pi r into r plus h. What is TSA of the cylinder? 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 r how much? Find out r. R equal to d by 2. What is r value? Radius is half of the diameter. R equal to d by 2. D how much? 4.2 by 2. 2.1. So cancellation 2.1. R equal to d by 2. D value 4.2 by 2. 2.1. Then substitute 2 pi r into r plus h. Formula TSA of the cylinder 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 into pi value 22 by 7. Pi value 22 by 7 into r value 2.1. R value 2.1 into r plus h 2.1 plus 4.5. 2 pi r into r plus h. TSA 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into r value 2.1 bracket r plus h 2.1 plus 4.5. 7 cancel, 2.1 cancel. How many times? 0.3. 7 3s are 21. Then what we get? 2 into 22 into 0.3 into, add these two, 6.6. 6.6. So 2 into 22 into 0.3 into 6.6. Do multiplication. 2 into 22, 44 into 0.3 into 6.6. 2 into 22, 44 into 0.3 into 6.6. Multiplication of work. 44 into 3. 44 into 3. Multiply. Do multiplication without taking decimal. Do multiplication without decimal. 44 3s are how much? 132. 44 3s are 132 into 66. 66. 132 into 66. Do multiplication. 66 2s are 132. 66 3s are 198 211. 66 1s are 66 21. 87. 87.12. So 87.12 meter square. That is what? TSA of the cylindrical tank. So this is about cylinder. Diameter how much? 4.2. First problem answer. Diameter 4.2. Height 4.5. TSA question mark. TSA of the cylinder 2 pi r into r plus h. R value. What is R? Diameter by 2. 4.2 by 2. 2.1. Then TSA formula 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 into cancellation. 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 2.1 plus 4.5. 7 cancel. 2.1 cancel. 0.3 times. What is left? 2 into 22 into 0.3 into 6.6. 2 into 22 44. 0.3 6.6. Do multiplication rougher. 44 into 3 132 into 66 how much? 87.12 meter square. That is TSA of the cylinder. So TSA of the cylinder is 87.12 meter square. Now first question completed. Then second question is what? How much metal sheet was actually used? We need to find out. Okay na? Original metal sheet how much? Measurement of original metal sheet. 1/12 is wasted. 1/12 is wasted. 1/12 is wasted. We need to find out 1/12 is wasted. We need to find out the remaining. Then second part. Let the original length of the metal sheet equal to x meters. Let original length of the metal sheet equal to x meters. How much wasted? 1/12. Okay na? Metal sheet wasted. Equal 1/12. Metal sheet wasted equal to 1/12 out of x. Out of x 1/12 wasted. Metal sheet used. So out of x 1/12 wasted. How much used? 11/12. Remaining 11/12. So what is 1/12 wasted? What is 11/12 used? Okay na? Two important points here. Metal sheet wasted 1/12. Metal sheet used 11/12 out of total x. Out of x 1/12 wasted, 11/12 used. Implies 11/12 into x. What is x? Original metal sheet, total metal sheet. Out of metal sheet total x, 11/12 is used. Equal to, it is equal to Total surface area 87.12. Total metal sheet according to our assumption x, out of x 11 by 12 is wasted. It is nothing but TSA 87.12. So 11 by 12 into x equal to 87.12. Then what is the next step? X equal to, so 11 by 12 is moving from left to right. It becomes reciprocal. Left side 11 by 12, right side 12 by 11. X equal to 87.12 into 12 by 11. 12 by 11. It is actually it is 11 by 12 left side. Right side it becomes reciprocal 12 by 11. Okay na? Then do cancellation. X equal to 11 table cancellation. 11 7 ja 77. Out of 87, 77 completed. Remaining 10. 10 remainder. Next number 1. Okay na? So 10 remainder. Next number 1. 99. It becomes 9 times. 99. It is 99. Remainder 2. Next number 2. So it becomes 2. 11 2s are 22. So cancellation. 11 cancel, 87.12 cancel. What we get? 7.92 times cancellation. What is left? 7.92 into 12. X equal to, do the rougher, 792 into 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 9s are 108, 110. 12 7s are 84, 95. So 95.04 meter square. Therefore, length of the meters, length of the original metal sheet x equal to 95.04 meters. Okay na? Second part, let the original length of the metal sheet equal to x meters total length. Out of x 112 wasted. How much used? So metal sheet used remaining 11 by 12. So 11 by 12 into x equal to 87.12. 11 by 12 moving from left to right, it becomes 12 by 11. 11 cancel, 87.12 cancel, 7.92. What is left? 7.92 into 12 multiply 95.04 meters. Therefore, length of the original metal sheet equal to x equal to 95.04 meters. Write down. Now problem number 10 is a one side open cylindrical drum, a one side open cylindrical cylindrical drum has inner radius 28 centimeters and height 2.1 meters. Full stop. How much water you can store? Water you can store in the drum. Full stop. Express in liters. So write down the problem. Problem number 10 in 10.2. So what is given? Problem number 10. One side open cylindrical drum. So the problem is about cylinder. Cylindrical drum has inner radius 28 centimeters, radius 28 and height 2.1 meters. So radius 28 centimeters, height 2.1 meters. Convert meters into centimeters. Then how much water you can store in the drum? Means we need to find out volume. Okay, now volume of the water, volume of the drum. The problem is about cylindrical drum. The problem is about cylinder. Radius how much? 28 centimeters. Height how much? 2.1 meters. We need to find out volume. How much means we need to find out volume. How much water you can store in the drum. We need to find out how much water is there in the drum. Capacity means volume. Express in liters. Find out volume in liters. That is the problem. So the problem is about cylinder. What is given? Radius. Radius how much? 28 centimeters. Radius how much? 28 centimeters. Height. Height how much? 2.1 meters. Radius 28 centimeters. Height 2.1 meters. Convert meters into centimeters. How to convert? 2.1 multiply with 100. 2.1 into 100. It becomes how much? 210 centimeters. 2.1 convert meters into centimeters. 2.1 meters. 2.1 into 100. 210 centimeters. Then we need to find out volume. Volume. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h. Then substitute the values. Pi value 22 by 7. R square. R into R. Radius 2 times. 28 into 28. Into h. Height how much? 210. Okay na? So pi r square h. We need to find out volume, capacity of the water, volume. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h. Pi value 22 by 7. R square 28 into 28 into h value 210. Do cancellation. 7 cancel. Can do any cancellation. 210 cancel 30 times. 7 cancel. 210 cancel 30 times. What is left? 22 into 28 into 28 into 30. Okay na? So 22 into 28 into 28 into 30. Do multiplication. 22 into 28. How much? 616. 22 into 28, 616 into 28. How much? Can write 0. 30 0 is there. How much? 17248. So into 3. what we get? 51740 centimeter cube, because it is volume. 51740 centimeter cube. Convert centimeter cube into liters. So how to convert centimeter cube into liters? Divide with 1000. So 51740 by 1000. By 1000. Do cancellation, or you can do, when 1000 is there, the decimal point moves 3 places towards left. Where is the decimal actually? At the end. Where is the decimal? At the end. Now it is moving 3 places towards left. Count. 1, 2, 3. So 517.440 liters. It is liters. Therefore, volume of the tank equal to 517.440 liters. So, the problem is about cylinder. Radius how much? 28 centimeters. Height 2.1 meters. Convert meters into centimeters. 2.1 into 100. 210 centimeters. Volume pi r square h. Pi value 22 by 7. R square 28 into 28. H 210. 7 cancel, 210 cancel 30 times. What is left? 22 into 28 into 28 into 30. Can write 0 at the end. Then multiplication is there. 22 into 28, 616 into 28, 17248 into 3, 51744. So multiplication 51740 centimeter cube. I want in liters. Convert centimeter cube into liters. What we get? 51740 divide with 1000 to convert centimeter cube into liters. 51740 by 1000 liters. Then you know the rule. Divide with 1000. The decimal point moves 3 places towards left. 517.440 liters. Therefore, volume of the tank equal to 517.440 liters. That much water is there. In the next class, we see the remaining problems. Thank you, students.